Hi, I'm Nick from Jordan Bikes, and check out this beast, a Panigale V4S. It's the first one we've ever had in second hand. We're filming this in high definition and it's certainly worth watching. So if you press the button in that corner of your screen, the sound and the vision will be in HD. So this is a 2018 bike. It was a pre-reg and then one owner, so it's a two owner bike. And the mileage is 4,900. It's absolutely beautiful. I've had the privilege of riding one of these at Donington, and I can honestly say it's just the fastest bike I've ever ridden. It was mental. I've got a ZX10 myself, and I was lapping faster in the first 2 laps on this than I ever did on my ZX10. Couldn't believe it, they're just so easy to ride. From the factory they come with Ohlins, fully electric suspension front and back, full colour TFT dashboard, and pretty much adjustable everything. You can adjust the power modes, the traction control, the slide control, the wheelie control, the engine braking. It's got a quickshifter up and down, Marchesini forged wheels, Brembo M50 Monobloc brakes. Basically, you're looking at a world superbike with a number plate on it. They're just fabulous. The chap's gone to town on extras on this one as well. Has spent quite a few quid. If you've ever had a Ducati, you know that the parts catalogue does not come cheap. You need to save up for these things. But this tail end unit, ordinarily from the factory, it's got 2 pieces there and a black strip down there. He's done away with that. We've got it in a box, it comes with it, so you've got a pillion seat as well, but it's fitted this single back end. It looks gorgeous. Ducati performance seat as well. We've also got the normal seat as well. A carbon hugger. It's got an Evotech heel guard, heat shield under there, carbon heel guard, Evotech engine guard, this lovely Ducati performance carbon tank shroud there. That's worth having. Nice little carbon lever guard there. In fact, that is carbon fibre. I bet that was 100 quid. And Evotech radiator guards as well. I think that's about it. Obviously, it's got the vinyl decal kit on it as well to make it look even meaner than they already look. But check out these headlights. I'm just going to ask the cameraman to stay on the front while I do the headlights, because they look awesome to these. There you go, one of the best bikes in the world, without a doubt. Don't miss out, give us a call. Save yourself thousands of pounds on buying a new one. Thank you for watching, appreciate your time, cheers. Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.